Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your number pad is not working, then watch this video to make it work. Now the first thing we need to know if the numpad lock is on or not, enabled or disabled. So for that we need to search for the numpad lock on the keypad. Normally the numpad lock will be in the number pad column itself, that is on the left right hand side of the laptop or the keyboard. So you need to press on numlock again. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't, then there's some other issue. So numlock is one of the reasons why you have this issue with the number pad not working. If you see on one of my videos, I have already explained how to disable numlock permanently on your computer, so please watch that. Now the second thing to do is to find out whether mouse keys have been enabled, and we need to disable that. If it is so right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll go to accessibility, and we will search down for mouse, and make sure that the mouse keys are in the off position, the disabled position. And your keypad should normally start, your number pad should work. Mostly it is the numlock that is the issue, so if that is disabled, you need to press it once, and there should be no other issue other than that. The only other issue is that if your keyboard is physically damaged, then you need to replace the keyboard. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.